हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल MH क्रिप्टो। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, मैं डेली आपके लिए न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स, न्यू वेबसाइट एंड न्यू टोकन लाती हूं, जिससे आपको बहुत से बेनिफिट मिलते हैं। सो गाइस, आज मैं आपके लिए ऐसी वेबसाइट लाई हूं जिससे आपको बहुत से बेनिफिट मिलेंगे। वीडियो आपने मेरी फुल वॉच करनी है, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली वीडियो आपको आसानी से मिल सके। अब हम टाइम ज़ाया किए बगैर अपनी वेबसाइट की तरफ चलते हैं। इस वेबसाइट का नाम है GASC कॉइन, ग्लोबल एंटी स्कैम क्रिप्टो ऑन ब्लॉकचेन बाय टोकन्स वाइट पेपर। ये इसका बाय टोकन है और वाइट पेपर भी दिया हुआ है। ग्लोबल एंटी स्कैम क्रिप्टो सैम्बल GASC कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस, ये इनका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस है। यहाँ पे ट्विटर भी है, टेलीग्राम भी है। आप इसे फॉलो करेंगे तो इसमें ग्रुप आएंगे, आपने ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है, आपको इसमें से बहुत सी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। चीकर BSC स्कैन कॉइन मार्केट कैप और कॉइन गीको पैनकेक स्वैप। आप इसे पैनकेक स्वैप भी कर सकते हैं। वेलकम टू ज्वाइन आवर टीम। GASC कॉइन is created by global professional technical by sharing their experience and technology experience with the top blockchain technology, researching high quality of the material required for a particular blockchain project, designing and developing application using blockchain technology, testing and troubleshooting the blockchain driven projects, back and front and application maintenance, evaluating blockchain application full implemented and involved in the blockchain ecosystem for integrating the latest possible improvements, provide solution for the existing blockchain platform, use proficiency in programming language like C++, Java, JavaScript. See, this mainly depends upon the project experience in working with code bases, hands-on experience on open source projects, stand algorithms and data structures knowledge, basic understanding of cryptography, similarity with peer-to-peer networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum, having the capability of writing multi-headed code. One of the traits that scammers love about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular in their allegedly untraceable nature. Once they steal the funds, fraudsters figure that the victims cannot recover them. We have professional technicians from all over the world, and GASC also offers a reward to find to the fraudsters and hand them to the local law enforcement agency. Cryptocurrency fraud, fake exchange, exit scam. While most digital assets are decentralized to some, agri investor can only buy them through exchange, which are of the time being centralized bottlenecks. For now, the regulatory standing of most cryptocurrency exchange is murky at best. Some exchange may turn out to be traps, which is where cryptocurrency expert against keeping significant found in exchange accounts. Exchange scam may use imposter website as well. They hijack the reputation. We will now exchange to allay the suspicions of their would-be victims. ICOs, MLMs and pump and dumps, acting as a engine of the 2017 crypto boom. The ICO craze allowed everyone to back the blockchain project of his her choice unhindered. While the ICO boom did create a few potentially useful projects and solidified the standing of some altcoins, it also acted as a free for all for scammers. Scores of people, including celebrities from all walks of life, pulled off pump and dump schemes, scamming would be early investors out of millions upon millions of dollars. This quirky period in the history of the crypto industry put the creativity of scammers, hackers, lights, and run of the mill Milken artists on full display. The scammers of this era covered virus, shady altcoins that some people choose to promote using the power of their celebrity status within the crypto world. Exit scams abounded, multi-level marketing techniques and pyramid schemes made their way into ICOs, convincing me through these time-tested methods to give up their hard-earned dollars. It may seem like the golden age of crypto fraud is upon us. Let's burn together blockchain technology finance. The ultimate goal of GASC is to become a blockchain technology to give us the opportunity to make your financial growth faster and get better returns. Tokenomics name global anti-scam crypto सिंबल GASC है इसका। ये इसका नीचे एड्रेस है, ये इसका एड्रेस दिया हुआ आप देख सकते हैं। ऑटोमेटेड टैक्सेशन, टैक्स फीस इसकी 6% है, रेडीज फीस 4% है। टोकन्स, यहाँ पे टोकन्स की वैल्यू दी हुई है, आप देख लें। बर्न एट लंच 30% है, एयर ड्रॉप 2% है, लिक्विडिटी पूल्स 38% है, फाइनल बर्न 30% है। रोड मैप 2021 फेस 1 launch on PancakeSwap and strong community launch website initial marketing phase 2 2022 AMA partnership with Influence Avidex trending world community to 2500 GASC Army CoinGecko listing phase 3 2022 start adopting projects release a full functionality website start anti-scam channels phase 4 2022 consolidate branding improve expand adopting processes crypto scam market distribution and offer a reward crypto scam projects. Legal disclaimer: none of the information on this website should be considered legal or financial advice. Global Anti-Scam Crypto is not a registered broker, analyst, or investment advisor. Global Anti-Scam Crypto smart contract as no owner, and Global Anti-Scam Crypto is maintained by a team of volunteers. While the team does their best to make GASC a profitable venture, the contract creator or the team cannot be held liable for any losses of taxes you may incur. Please do extensive research before purchasing any cryptocurrencies. Global Anti-Scam Crypto team welcome everyone to inspect the smart contract. क्रिप्टीरियो ICO वाइट। सो गाइज, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।